Number 2 asks you to view the following array in 2 ways to explain why 4 times 7 equals 7 times 4. So, just to view this, I would say you take your paper and rotate it, right? And you can see like the way we usually do things according to our textbook is we do things in terms of rows, right? So like I can say I've got 4 rows and then there's 7 objects, in this case stars, in each row. Versus if I rotated it, then I can see now I have 7 rows and 4 stars in each row. And I would just write that down. I think a good way to do that is just to write it down in terms of an equation. So if I view this in terms of the rows, or the way it looks right now, I could say I have 4 rows times 7 stars per row. Remember that second number should always have the per part on its units. And that would give me the total number of stars. And so then if I view this by rotating it, or since I can't rotate my screen, we'll say view it in terms of columns, right? Because that's how I would describe it based on not rotating it. Then this would be, I have 7 columns. So instead of viewing it by rows and stars per row, I'm doing columns and stars per column. So times 4 stars per column. And again, that would be a quick way, rather than counting, right? That would be a quick way to find the total number of stars. And so both of these calculate the total. So that means they're equal to each other. And again, you can see, hey, if I rotate that thing, I get the same number of stars. It doesn't matter if I rotate it, I didn't change the number of stars.